Welcome to Mora IFC. Here is what it is. The easiest way and the fastest way how to pop a neck. This kind of popping of a neck, it's very simple and easy. First of all, you have to check what kind of neck are you working on. Are you going to put a zip on the shoulder? If you want to put a zip on the shoulder, then you have to join one shoulder. Then you measure from the tip of it, go around. And if you want to put placket, do placket, then you have to join both shoulders. Then you measure at the tip of it. It's Mora IFC. It is what it is. Very simple. And second, you have to fold it in a bias form. This has already been folded in a bias form. I use it to do certain work, so it's already been folded in a bias form. So if you want to fold it in a bias form, this is how you have to fold it in a triangle way like this. Then you measure it. Like I said, if you want to put a zip on the shoulder, you join one shoulder. But if you want to put placket, you want to do placket, then you join both shoulders. You measure at the tip of it. You form it at the bias form. Then you measure 2 inches right here. Then you cut it. It's Mora IFC. It is what it is. On my channel, I make things very easy and simple, fast way. I make sewing very easy and simple, well understood. No, you don't waste much time. You make it very simple too. So if you're new to the channel, do and subscribe, like and share and comment, and click on notification. Give me a thumbs up. The same way to this white fabric, you have to do it in a bias form. It's already in bias form. It's not straight. I'm not cutting it straight too. It's already in bias form. I use it to do certain work, so that's the rest that I'm using to do this style. So understand. So form it also, fold it in a bias form, then you cut 1 inch. This is 1 inch. It's Mora IFC. It is what. This is a requested video. It's a full outfit with a neck and with a corset video. So this is the neck that I'm doing, and the full tutorial of the outfit will be on Saturday. It's Mora IFC. It will be the next. It's Mora IFC. It is what it is. So learn the neck, and after that you wait for the full video on how to cut the style of the top. It's a requested video. Both are requested videos. So it is what it is. So if you're facing any difficulty, just make sure you send it to me and I'll help you out. You fold this white into 2, then you iron it. If you are facing any difficulty in cutting and sewing some design, even you don't understand how to cut it, how to go by it, follow me on my Facebook and click on follow. You follow. After that, you send me, it's linked to my WhatsApp. Then you send me a message through my WhatsApp. Show some respect when approach, and greet me and introduce yourself a little bit, and you tell me your problem. Then I'll help you out. It's Mora IFC. It is what it is. So I'm folding it in 2 to get the middle of it. I'll still iron the middle. Just want to get the middle of it. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe, like and share and comment, and click on notification bell. I post videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. So do well and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new to this channel. So you don't have a hemming gum. Get a hemming gum, very important. So I'm going to place this hemming gum at exactly at the middle of it. That's why I iron to know exactly at the middle of it. So place this hemming gum at the middle of it. I can fold both ways to go together, but I want to make it very simple for you. I'll first fold half for you. Do it this way. I don't want it to be complicated for you, so that you can do it. You just have to fold half this way. You make sure that the iron don't touch the fusible. Don't touch the fusible. Make sure you use the tip of your iron to do this part. So after that, you can see it has hold that part off. Then you fold the rest to it as well. Then you can iron on top like that and just go away. Very simple and easy. I make sewing very simple and easy for you guys. So do want to subscribe, like and share and comment and click on notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Mora IFC. It is what it is. Give me a thumbs up. What are you waiting? Give me a thumbs up. So I'm going to fold. I'm not going to make it equal. One have to be longer than other. I'm going to leave like 0.2. Yeah. So your hemming gum, you just have to divide it into two, then you put half inward, then you put this one inside, then you iron it. You're going to hold it down to become easy for you. But if you don't want to use your hemming gum, you can get a glue. You have 600 glue. It's a sewing glue, so you use that one. This is a sewing glue, 600 glue that I'm using. So if you want to put it on it, you don't put it on a long one, you put it on the short one. Put it on the short one, not on the long one, because the white one is supposed to be on the short one, because the short one is the one that coming out, you know, and the long one is the one that stay inside the cloth. Do you understand? So when you're putting your glue on it, you make sure you put the glue on the short one, not on the long one. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, like, and share, and comment. I post videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. It's more FTV make things very simple and easy and fast and funny and interesting. So we're gonna put this one inside, just like that. You first have to check and see if it's okay for you. Like I see that the 1 inch that I cut, I folded into 2, the 1/2 inch, it's too big. It's too big. So I have to trim some part off. The smaller thing is, the cute the tin look, the beautiful the tin look, you know. So I just have to trim some part off. It's more IFC. It is what it is. The cute the tin is, the beautiful how it is. So you just have to take your time and you'll be doing this way. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I don't know what you are waiting for. If you have not subscribed, you have not given me a thumbs up. We make things very simple and easy for you guys. This is a requested video. It's a requested video. Like I said, it's a requested video. So link it up if you have a problem. Free assistance, you know, free help, you know. It is what it is. So when you do it this way, it becomes very, very simple and easy for you guys. You know, very, very simple and easy. Have you seen how beautiful it is? It's ready, it's set. So let's go and do it. Let's go. So when you are fixing it, you make sure that don't stretch the neck itself. Don't stretch, let the neck lay flat as it is. You have to control the band. The one we are popping with, you have to control that one. You have to blend that one in. You need to curve that one in. Don't stretch the neck trying to make it a straight line so it become easy for you. No, don't do that. Don't do that. I say don't do that. It is what it is. So you let the neck lay down flat. Let the curve of the neck be its one way, the way it takes the neck, how it is. Then the band that we are using for popping is the one that you have to curve it inward. You know, that one you have to blend it in so that after you finish, it becomes very beautiful for you. It's more IFC. It is what it is. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about more IFC. It is what it is. So I'm sewing at the tip of it. I'm not sewing on the white. Don't sew on the white. Sew exactly at the tip of it. Cause I don't stretch the neck itself. Control the band itself. Then you have to push it everything inward. It is what it is. I'm just showing at the tip of it, not on the white though, not on the white fabric. So we're done. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Thank you for watching. Thank you. If you want to put a zip, you're going to put your zip on there.